Oops. Okay, this is the first questions of the paper one sampler, the workshop for mass workshop for September 4th. And here we go. We're just going to start it. First question says, solve for x, correct the two decimal places where necessary. Well, that's what they're doing. That first question, one thing, but this is the first question here is an inequality. And people usually get the first thing right. They go, oh, this has got to be put into standard form. So they subtract 2. And that's good. And then they do the next thing right, which is to factor it. Or you could use the quadratic formula, and you'll get two values that will make it equal 0. You see that 2x times x is 2x squared. 2x times minus 2 is minus 4x plus 1x. That gives me the minus 3x. 1 times minus 2 is minus 2. Okay, now we've got x is equal to minus a half or 2. And there, that first part people are okay with. But now they have a little bit of trouble trying to figure out the next part, like which things would make this true for x. Well, this is a parabola. You know, I think the easiest way is just to sketch a parabola, a happy parabola where what will make it 0 is minus a half and 2. Now you're looking at where it's greater than 0, right here and here. And where is it less than 0? Well, that's in between 2 and minus a half. So where is, what values of x are going to make this less than 0? Where the function goes negative, that's when x is less than 2, but greater than minus a half. There's your solution. The next question, determine the values of x for which the roots of this quadratic equation are equal. Well, whenever they say determine the nature of the roots, this is kind of talking about the nature of what kind of roots when they're equal. It's always this thing called the discriminant. So you go b squared minus 4ac, and what will make the roots equal? When that part of the quadratic formula is 0. You'll be plussing and minusing 0, and that'll make the roots equal. So you might get a mark just for recognizing that b squared minus 4ac has to equal 0. Then just put in k is b, so it's k squared minus 4 times a is 9, and c is 49. Well, that equals some big number, 1764. Minus that, we add it over on this side. We take the square root, and we get two answers. The values of k that will make the roots equal are either positive or negative 42. Okay, that's the first question. Okay.